guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. It's the day after Thanksgiving. Remember yesterday when I was bragging about how beautiful it was and blah, blah, blah? Well, that changed. And now there's tons of thunder and lightning and a ton of rain. But the intrepid Super Savvy team never stops because I'm heading over to Judy's. Remember Judy's? And we're working on her house. However, we're going to work on her kitchen today. We're meeting the furniture guys from Papasidro. Excuse me for not looking. I'm watching where I'm going. Anyway, they make custom furniture. And of course, kitchens in Italy are considered furniture. So, they have the measurements of her kitchen, and we're going to look at colors and things like that. And if you looked at the last video with Judy and all the wallpapers and things, we had so much fun doing that. We anticipate a lot of fun today, so stay tuned. Okay, well, I had misunderstood the conversation with Antonello and the guys from Falegname GEO. I thought we were going to go look at samples out the trunk of his car, but no. He actually picked us up from Judy's house and drove us all the way to Papasidro, which was actually a very beautiful drive. And Papasidro is gorgeous. We need to go back in springtime and film it because it's stunning. Anyway, they took us out to their factory. They gave us a tour of the factory, which was lovely. They also let us tour their own private house, which was amazing because there were many, many beautiful pieces, including the entire custom kitchen that they had created. Many of the pieces were in walnut, in cherry, in chestnut, all kinds of different types of woods. Each one was meticulously created, and they went over the process. There's a lot of sanding and really a lot of detail-oriented stuff that goes into this. And you can see they make everything from kitchens to headboards to armadios, dressers, and things like that. You know, a lot of the antique pieces that we're seeing were created in this same way 100 years ago. So, 50 years from now when the modern furniture falls apart, these pieces are still going to be around. They're going to be as beautiful as they ever were if they're well cared for, and they're going to be classic. So this is a really, really good option. I have to also say, I was amazed when Judy got her estimate. She's getting all custom kitchen cabinets, and she's getting also a beautiful china cabinet, handmade, to order, to her design, in a beautiful, beautiful chestnut, sort of natural chestnut. It's going to be a stunning kitchen and a stunning cabinet. And altogether, I can say it was way less than 10,000 euros for all of it. And it is really going to be nice. So we were looking at Casa Cristina and going, instead of doing the mass-produced things from the Bama, I think what we're going to do is beautifully handcrafted bathroom vanities, beautifully handcrafted pieces of furniture, because we really want to give our guests a super high-end luxury experience. And nothing says luxury like beautifully handcrafted pieces of furniture that somebody has really taken a lot of time and attention over the details of to make you feel like you're really in a fine, high-quality place. So I have to hand it to Giuseppe and Ermanno, who we met today. We actually met their entire family. One thing I love about Calabria is that it's never a business deal. It's always, let's sit down, have a coffee, have a few cookies, and talk about other things for a while. It's a beautiful, beautiful way of doing business. We got to know each other really well. I love that family. They're awesome. I love Papasidro, and we'll be out filming it in the future for you guys because I think it's going to be really stunning in springtime. So anyway, for your renovation experience, you now have the option of handcrafted quality furniture and kitchen cabinets. So we'll see you soon.